So before Thailand, I'd never used an eSIM before. I was ready to just pay the roaming charge. £5 a day per phone for me and Rach over a week, that's £70. Then someone mentioned Airalo. £8, 10 gigabytes, 7 days, sounded too good to be true. This is our honest review after 2 family trips, what it costs, what it's actually like to use and set up. So what exactly is Airalo? So quick version, Airalo is an eSIM, a digital SIM that you install before you fly. So when you land, your data is already working. No SIM sharp, no swapping cards, just generally no faff. Your UK number still stays active for calls and texts. Airalo just handles the data, and that's it. But how much does it actually cost, and is it worth it? So price comparison, we went to Thailand, like I said. Airalo was £8 each with 10 gigabytes, 7 days, that's £16 in total for the both of us. Roaming cost would have cost us £70 for the same week. Portugal, pretty much the same story. Our network had a £15 for a 7-day pass. Airalo still £8. 2 trips, 2 countries, same result, roughly half the price. Now, like I say, you can get a local SIM at the airport, and a lot of people do. It tends to be £1 or £2 cheaper, but you've got to queue for it. You've got to hope they've got it in stock, and doing that, to be honest, with a child is a pain in the backside. Airalo, you're sorted before you even leave the house. So what are the benefits of using Airalo? To be honest, there were 3 things that stood out. The signal that we got was perfect. Now, it's important to understand that when you use roaming data, your data actually goes back through the UK network first, even when you're on the other side of the world. Airalo doesn't, so it uses the same location, so generally you'll always have good signal. Number 2, setup takes literally 5 minutes. You just download the app, pick your destination, scan the QR code, and you're done. You do need Wi-Fi to install it, so it is worth doing it the night before. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. First up, you need to download the Airalo app from the App Store and create an account. Once you've done that, load it up and you'll see that there's a list of countries that you can choose from, or you can simply search for your destination. You can also pick a region if you know that you'll be going to a few different countries. Next, you'll see a list of data plans to choose from. First of all, you've got the unlimited data plans. If you're after a specific amount of data, then you can click on the standard plans and this will give you those options. You'll see that each one does have a duration of how long it lasts and also the price. If you are after a plan that does come with calls and texts, then you'll be able to see that under the unlimited plans. Select which one you want. For this example, because I'm not actually traveling, I'll pick the cheapest. Once you've got that, click buy now and you can pay with Apple Pay, PayPal or just by card. Once payment's gone through, you can now install or share the eSIM. Simply hit start installation. Once it's installed, you can then click activate. Once activated, it'll detect when you actually enter that country and turn on the new plan. You can also install using a QR code or by adding the details manually. To be completely honest though, I find that the Airalo app is much quicker and a lot easier. I forgot to mention, if you are interested in getting an eSIM from Airalo, then there is a link in the description below. Now, it is an affiliate link, so I do earn a little bit of commission from that. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help to support the channel, and I really do appreciate it. 3, flexibility. Plans range from small data packs right up to unlimited data, so you're not locked into a one-size-fits-all. For us, 10 gig covered the week easily. Now, there are 2 things that you do need to know before you do buy. It is data only by default, so there's no calls or texts unless you pay for an extra plan that includes them. To be honest, that was fine with us. We tend to use WhatsApp most of the time anyway. And also, some plans don't top up once they actually run out. So you want to check before you buy if your trip runs longer than that plan actually covers. So is Airalo actually worth getting? To be honest, I think so. It's cheaper than roaming, it's better signal than roaming, it takes 5 minutes to set up. For us, it's definitely an easy yes. I'm going to be comparing the Airalo with other providers, so if you are interested in that, then do subscribe. That is going to be coming very soon.